So first I'm going to open a new document. I'm going to show you how I would get the timeline open by clicking Windows and Timeline. Now I'm going to click the three dots on the left bottom and make sure I set the time to 0.5 seconds. Now I'm going to drag in the images I want to use in the GIF. Now I'll resize them by holding down Shift so it keeps the same shape. I kind of messed up this one a little bit. I'll show you properly in this one. Just resize it, holding down Shift. I'm going to set the image to how I want it to be in the frame, and then go ahead and do the last image. Okay, now that that's done, I can see on the timeline how the images are going to appear. So I'm just going to adjust this first one, and then I'm going to change frame 2 because I can see that it's repeated the image. So I'm going to change frame 2 to only show the image that I want in there. So I'm going to hide the other layers and keep the layer I want visible. So I'm going to go File, Save for Web, and all the settings are correct. I want it as a GIF, so I'm going to go ahead and save and name a GIF. I'm going to call it GIF1 for now, and then click Save, and I'll show you what the finished product looked like. And this is my final GIF. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Thank you, bye!